Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you we discuss with you Jellyfit weight loss slimming supplement review. So, you might be wondering what is Jellyfit here that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, Jellyfit here is a liquid dietary supplement marketed for weight management and metabolic support. Now, according to the fish website here, it is designed to support metabolism, appetite control, digestion, energy, and long-term weight management. Now, the product is made with plant-based ingredients and is described as liquid formula intended to fit into a daily routine. Now, the formula includes green tea or green tea leaf extract, chromium, Garcina Cambodia extract, L-carnitine, cayenne pepper extract, magnesium, and alpha lipoic acid. Now, they do specifically mention or list those ingredients in their website, and they provide certain benefits according to them, and according to each ingredient here. Now, the company says ingredients are selected to support things like metabolism, fat utilization, appetite control, blood sugar balance, energy production, and digestion. Now, Jellyfit here is specifically marketed around helping the body to use stored energy more efficiently, support fat utilization, reduce cravings, and maintain steady energy throughout the day. The website also says that it works best alongside balanced diet and regular physical activity, and these are claims made by the manufacturer here. Now, the company here currently recommends Jellyfit consistently for at least 90 days. Now, they do specifically mention that in their FAQ section in one of the website this product is being sold, or even longer, so longer than 90 days, saying that continued use gives the body more time to adapt and experience the intended benefits. Now, the website also says the product is manufactured in the USA in an FDA registered and GMP certified facility. Now, how do you exactly use Jellyfit here? Well, currently, if you're going to visit one of their website here, they don't specifically mention any kind of usage or how many drops that you're supposed to take in a day. But according to what we are seeing in here, it's meant to be incorporated into your daily habits. So meaning you take this on a daily basis in a certain amount or in a certain amount of time. So as per their recommendation, around 90 days. So I would highly recommend you to read the instructions if you really or if you do proceed on buying this one and seeing this dosage or the dosage instructions for yourself. Now, as for the pricing right now, so currently in one of the websites, they are promoting a different product as of this moment. So currently they do mention that Jellyfit is the old version. As you can see here now, it's the old version, and they now have a newer version of the product. Now, currently, it's actually priced for around $79 per bottle here for two package. So that's per bottle. So the total is going to be $158 plus shipping, and you could get 3 bottles or 6 bottles here with $207 and $294 pricing each. So yeah, so if you do proceed on buying one of these products here, well, according to them, you're saving more if you're going to buy more from them. So yeah, if you're really interested with this product, and because Jellyfit is a dietary supplement marketed for weight loss and metabolic effects, well, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using it is recommended. Now, the official website itself advises speaking with a licensed medical professional, and doing your own research into the ingredients and manufacturer's claim is also recommended. Now, in this case, like what I said before, it's actually mentioned in here. They do mention or specifically say it is essential to consult with a licensed medical professional before using this one. So, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.